In this video, you'll learn how to build a Gantt chart system in Notion. By following these steps, you will create a visual project timeline that helps in tracking tasks and deadlines efficiently. This process involves using templates and customizing your Gantt chart to suit your project needs. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your web browser and enter the address notion.so in the URL bar. Once the page loads, ensure you're logged into your Notion account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one to access the features. After logging in, locate the option labeled Templates on the left sidebar. Click on this option to open the template library. This section contains various templates that can enhance your productivity and project management capabilities. Next, use the search bar within the template library to type in Gantt chart. This action will filter the available templates, allowing you to find the specific Gantt chart template quickly. Make sure to review the templates that appear in the results. Once you find the template titled Gantt chart, click on it to view more details. This template provides a structured layout for your projects, making it easier to visualize tasks over time. After reviewing, look for the button labeled Add and click on it. This action will add the Gantt chart to your Notion workspace. Once the Gantt chart is added, you will need to expand the chart for further customization. Look for the arrow icon next to the Gantt chart title and click on it. This will reveal additional options and settings you can adjust to better fit your project's requirements. After expanding the chart, find the button labeled New and click on it to create a new entry in your Gantt chart. This entry will represent a specific project or task that you wish to track. You will now be prompted to enter a title for your task. Type in Project 1 as the name of your first task. This label will help you identify the task within your Gantt chart. Ensure you input the correct name, as this will be displayed prominently in your project timeline. Next, you will want to organize your tasks into groups. To do this, locate the option labeled New Group and click on it. This allows you to categorize your tasks, making it easier to manage multiple projects simultaneously. After creating a new group, type in Group 1 to label this category. This designation will help you keep your task organized within the Gantt chart. You can create additional groups as needed for further organization. Now, you will need to set the status of your tasks. Click on the section labeled Status. This will allow you to choose the current state of your tasks, such as not started, in progress, or completed. Selecting the correct status is crucial for tracking your project's progress effectively. Following the status selection, you will want to establish the priority level for your tasks. Click on the area labeled Priority. This feature enables you to set the importance of each task, which can assist in determining which tasks require immediate attention. And that completes the process of building a Gantt chart system in Notion. You have successfully created a structured timeline for your projects. Thanks for following along, and see you next time.